Hey guys, so the car came back. Well, she comes back this time with a few upgrades. Yeah, let's get to it. I'll do the walk around in a few. So guys, back to the video. So as I was saying, it's a 1J, stock 1J. It has a new turbo, new intercooler. Reason for why the car's back. This car's still pretty. Check out these wheels. Oh, this car's beautiful. You also have the car repainted a few spots, the bonnet and etc. And this car's still so pretty, guys. 1J, who doesn't want a 1J? He also broke the diff. So yeah, the car has went under a few constructions. Still an Alice diff though. 1JZ, you can't, back to what I was saying, you can't go wrong with Toyota power. You can't go wrong with a Toyota engine. You can't. If you want a V8, 1UC. If you want a V6, there's that other engine. What is it? I don't know it, but yeah, you guys know it. It's from the Lexus, the V6. That engine is also good. Then if you want a 4-cylinder, 4AG, 20 valve, beams. Yeah, 4AG, the 16 or 20 valve, beams, 2Z. Oh, just a bunch of engines. 3S, but yeah, you can't go wrong with Toyota.